Imagine a storm so violent it could tear apart a battleship, yet it rages not on the open sea but within a building. What if you could summon the fury of a hurricane, the crushing pressure of the deep ocean, or the treacherous currents of an Arctic passage, all under a roof? This isn't science fiction. It's a hidden world where the Navy tests the very limits of human engineering, long before a vessel ever touches the real waves. Deep within secure facilities, engineers and scientists have constructed what can only be described as indoor oceans. These aren't just oversized swimming pools. They are meticulously engineered environments designed to replicate the most extreme conditions found across the globe's vast waters. Their purpose is singular and critical: to understand how ships, submarines, and naval technologies behave under immense stress. It's about pushing boundaries in a controlled setting, ensuring safety and effectiveness when it truly matters. These indoor oceans are marvels of precision engineering. Massive wave generators, some as tall as houses, can create everything from gentle swells to towering rogue waves, mimicking the chaos of a Category 5 hurricane. They can even simulate complex wave patterns from multiple directions simultaneously. Beneath the surface, powerful pumps generate currents that replicate ocean gyres or swift river flows. Some facilities feature deep basins, plunging hundreds of feet, allowing for the testing of submersibles and sonar systems in conditions mirroring the abyssal plains. Temperature control systems can plunge the water to near freezing, enabling research into ice formation and its impact on hull integrity. Advanced sensor arrays meticulously record every ripple, every vibration, every subtle shift in performance. This data is invaluable. The insights gained from these controlled environments directly translate to the safety of sailors and the operational readiness of naval fleets worldwide. Every design improvement, every material innovation, every tactical decision often begins with data from these indoor seas. From the stability of an aircraft carrier in heavy seas to the stealth capabilities of a submarine navigating complex underwater terrain, these tests ensure our naval forces are prepared for any challenge. It's about protecting global trade routes, conducting humanitarian missions, and maintaining peace. Perhaps the most astonishing aspect is the sheer scale and complexity of these operations, often conducted in relative obscurity. Some of these facilities are so vast, they contain millions of gallons of water, requiring sophisticated filtration and climate control systems that rival small cities. The precision required to simulate a specific ocean environment, down to the exact wave height and frequency, is mind-boggling. It's a testament to human ingenuity, transforming raw physics into predictable, repeatable experiments that save lives and advance our understanding of the ocean itself. These indoor oceans are more than just test tanks. They are crucibles of innovation, where the future of naval engineering is forged. They represent our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our commitment to safety, and our enduring quest to master the most powerful forces on Earth.